Okay, so there's a problem that I found with it's 1 through 17.
16, 17, 1.
I can scan the radio with chirp, and I see all 78 channels that I programmed in it. The radio only sees 17. So if I scan, it's just going to scan 1 through 17. So I'm not sure if something's not right, so I downloaded the driver for the cable, which is on Radtel's website. But I'll also go over here, and here is some stuff for the 730 that I found on their website. So they have their programming software. They've got a firmware to modify squelch level. There's another firmware, and that's all I can see so far. So I'm going to just go ahead and download this one. Hopefully it's not some goofy file format, which I think it is. And I'll have to extract this damn thing, and it's going to be like a RAR file, but for some reason my computer is retarded, and it's trying to open it up as a media player file. So it says Windows Media Player. Hold on. So I right clicked it, 7-zip, extract here. Now I don't know why, but it put it down here as last month. So here's the driver for that, and then here's the setup. So we're gonna go ahead and just do that. Guess I don't know about what the thing, so it gives you English. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I don't know why I have to put that in there. Okay. Okay. Let's see how long this thing takes. Pretty quick. Okay. Now we got to figure out where the hell it went. Then open it. So all this is in here, but it just isn't letting me access it on the radio. We get the 470 software. Okay, it's right here. Alright, so we're gonna go and read the contents of the radio. Alright, I got the radio plugged in. Let's go look at our COM port. It only gives me one choice. Just read. It does say password, but it's reading it. Interesting. So I'm gonna imagine it's gonna possibly only pull up 17 things. I don't know what that is. Okay. Yep, so it's only pulling up 17 of the files. So if maybe I can go into chirp and save my file, export to CSV, maybe. Let me see if that works. So God, I don't know where the hell the thing just went. Guess maybe it would be in here. I don't see it. So inside of here there's it says machine. You click that and that pops up. I don't know if you can change these. So it says band 10 through 300, 300 through 630. I'm not even gonna mess with that. So that's really weird. we're just going to go ahead and leave it alone. So let me full size this page. So what I was trying to do is maybe, so the software here only gets 16 channels, but Chirp can write more than that to the radio and also recover it from the radio, which I don't understand how that works. But it's basically only put these channels in here like us. So I might have to go in here and try channel 18. Let's just see what happens when we go into Chirp. We go into 18. We'll just copy it. I'm just going to try one at a time for now and just see if it'll actually work. And no. So you could be sitting here doing this forever. This is not the way to do this. So I'm not sure. Let's make sure that we're looking at the right amount of channels. So 199, that's perfectly fine. Okay. So you can't really copy and paste into here. So we got to figure out why we can only put 17 channels in on Chirp. So there's also this document I just opened up. It says expand frequency by keypad. Press PTT +8 and turn power on. Input 103030, then press menu to confirm and wait for 2 seconds to expand the frequency to 10 to 630 megahertz successfully. Now the radio channel and all data will be cleared, and if you need to go to factory default settings, you can load the defaults into the programming software. Install and open. Okay. The default factory frequency text file has what? The default factory frequency text file has unlocked all bands. If you want to lock some bands, you may go to software menu, change input, press confirm. Okay, so this is what I was talking about earlier. If you want to lock to 13.6 to 174, okay. You may select clear all data or not. If clear all data, all channels and data will be blanked. So I'm not sure about this. So I turned the radio on and held down the button like it said, and this is what it shows me. So I think everything's there. So I'm pretty sure I don't need to do that. Okay. You can load default frequency into PC programming software. Install. You don't need a driver for most Windows systems. Okay, so it's already on here, so but if it wasn't, then you'd have to do something here. And so basically, let's see if it responds to something. 0. So we get 0. Hold on. 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0. So that's what it's going to do. Okay, let's just go exit.
Welcome.
Okay, let me show you again. Okay, so hold down the 8 and the top PTT. So it's still there, so we're good. We'll go ahead and hit exit.
Welcome.
I'm not sure what's up with the 17 frequencies, but it's okay. So they've got some information files when you download the stuff from their website. So we'll go ahead and close this out. So this was in the README file here, and apparently this text document is the default frequencies, and you can guess open it up or something, I don't know. Let's close this out. So we don't know why we can't program these to the radio. We're only getting first 17 channels. Maybe we need to go ahead and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and close out that. There doesn't appear to be any particular way to easily copy and paste in here. Let me try to do it again. Okay. Yeah, well, let me do it. Okay, so I just wrote a couple of extra frequencies to this. Let's see if it goes in here. It did. So there's an issue with chirp, apparently. So I put these frequencies in here so I can test them. But you can put 17 of them in, or you can hand enter them all in here, I guess. I'm not sure what's going on, but let's go ahead and save this file. Okay. And it's saving the files as a .text file, so keep that in mind. You're not going to be able to use your CSV files or whatever else is going on. So, totally usable, but we need to figure out what's going on with chirp, and then we can get further with it. I know that it's all stored on the radio, so it's something going wrong with something. Maybe the computer needs to be rebooted, I don't know. I have added a couple more channels to it from their software, and it bumped me up to the 3 more that I added, no problem. I don't know what's up with chirp. So, but anyway, got it on Simplex for and GMRS FRS 462575, and we're going to use the Bofang over here.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, that volume was up pretty high.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Volume is up at 12 o'clock. Okay, so the Bofang go over here, and I'm not sure where it's set at.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it's got some kind of key up. And you can see that the meter actually does work on this one like it's supposed to. The 470 doesn't do that. Let me put this back over here. Let me grab the 470.
Welcome. Frequency mode.
We've also got a different voice on the 470. Would you go here to
4, 6, 2, 5, 7, 5.
Okay, let's try it on the Bofang first. I got somebody else fucking playing games. These people get excited when they hear shit, so let's go in between. Five, 775. Okay. So I need to go to 625. Because of the frequency step on this one. Jesus Christ. Okay.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me turn it down.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
When you key this one up, it puts that over there to block out the other one, but the volume doesn't indicate anything.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello.
Okay, I take that back. It does. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 1, 2. Okay, so the yes meter doesn't work. They both look very, very similar. So, anyway, they both sound actually really good, and they're both unlocked, as is this one, unless they've changed it. But I just figured, why buy a Bofang when you can buy these kind of radios? I mean, this one here is great, but what they did that I don't like is they stuck the screen out here and make it a target to get scratched on things. It actually protrudes. So, anyway, what we're going to do, we have simplex. We already know that it transmits on whatever frequency. Let me see here. Okay, here's that. Okay, that's simplex. We go 2, 2, 3, 5.
0, 0.
Okay. Move that up there.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so works on there. Let's try the other. I got somebody on. These guys think.
Level 5.
These.
Level 5.
They're either on a repeater or something. Anyway, I don't even know my GMRS call sign because I don't care. All right, so we want 2,
2, 2, 3, 5, 0, 0.
Whiskey Bravo 5, Romeo Alpha.
Oh, it's on dual watch. Okay.
Menu.
I gotta check this off dual watch. Let's see. I'm not sure what it's gonna be called on this radio. Huh. I thought those guys, I was like, there's nobody on 220 megahertz simplex. And I didn't realize my dual watch was on. Okay. You know, I actually don't really see it on here, but maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I don't know where it would be. Wait, what was that? TDR. Yeah, I think it's transmit.
Dual standby.
Yep.
Confirm.
Okay.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. KG7HVR.
So it sounds fine on that one.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which radio we're listening to? 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So that's the 470X on the 730 of receive. Okay. Now, let's listen to the UV17.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's turn down that one.
Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Now, let's grab this guy. Test. Is it not turned up enough?
Test 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So there you guys go. The next thing I need to do is I need to check power output and stuff like that. And we'll do that later.